Okay, my name is Jimmy. I'm from France. My crew is Udat, and I'm a 31 years old man. The life being a dancer is really like a roller coaster. There is a lot of really high feeling, good feeling, and sometimes really bad also. But I think it's a life for everyone. But the thing is nice is like you meet different people, you meet a different culture, and also it's really nice to be a man, like in general, because when you meet different people have the same love of you of hip hop and everything, it help you to understand more about the life in general. What I love to do, I love theater in general. I love comedy, I love movie, I love music, I see a lot of bands. I love to read, I love to talk with people. I really love to talk with people and to know how the people think about the different aspects of their life in a general. So I love many stuff actually. I love to read also. I think is to don't take the time. Like most of the dancers don't want to be patient because most of us we want to get something very quick because in the front of the scene we have a lot of people very talented and very young, so we want to do the same, so we want to do quick and everything, and we don't have time to understand everything and don't take the time really to enjoy the thing, to be ourselves and to be comfortable with it. So when we take too much time and we too hurry to take the things, I think it's the biggest mistake a dancer can do. I think if you want to accomplish your goals, I think the best is to put the highest goal ever. Like this, maybe you're never gonna take it, but you still growing. Because when you put a goal, for me, is a limit. It gives you a limit. And I think work harder is not every time the good way, because we not do sports, we do art. And art is not a sport. It's not because you work harder, you're gonna be the best one. Because the thing when you're a dancer is to inspire people, to touch people. And with work, you're not gonna touch people. You're just gonna be stronger, faster, you know. And you have to understand yourself. You have to understand the music. You have to understand many things. There is also like a mental working. And to this, you have to understand yourself. You have to talk with other people from other art. You have to research yourself, you know, you have to learn about yourself, you have to learn about other things, you have to take classes, talk with other people. And this, you're gonna, even if your highest goal ever, you're gonna take it. Because you're gonna be not strong with your body, because your body is gonna be less when you're gonna get older, but with your mind. And this is gonna get down. It's not just gonna be better, I think. For me, really, I'm really honest. I'm really honest. I never try to be the best dancer. Never, ever. I think I will never be the best dancer. I just try to be a good guy. This is really not easy, already not easy, because of course I have a lot of default, and I try to work with myself with it, and also it's happened with my dance. Because when I dance, I talk about my life. If I'm not good with myself, if I'm not good with my life, it's gonna see on my dance. And when I don't say like I'm good, like Drake, you know, I don't need nothing, you know. No, I just, of course, I have a goal and I have different things, but I try to be a good man. Like when I say I try to be respect to everybody, and like this I can respect myself. And when I dance, I have nothing to hide because it's just myself. So I don't think too much. I think my highest goal is when I dance, start to think about other things, start to think about where I am, don't think about the people around me, start to think about what they are doing good or bad, start to judge me, start to judge people, judging me, everything, that try to just live the moment. And for this, to be really honest, is not easy. And for me, this is to be a good guy. And after, maybe for other people, you're gonna be the best. But for you, for me, for myself, to be the best is almost impossible. To new generation, the last one for new generation, it's not easy to be yourself. Everybody say to be yourself, but it's not easy because we live in a society and we have example of other people every day about the clothes, about the hair, about the way they work, about the way we talk. We live in a society, so we have to live with that. And it's not easy to be yourself when you live in society, but when I say to live, to be yourself, is also to understand what you really like. And not only what is high, what's the highest thing, what you really like. If you like, maybe it's best dancer for everybody, for you, you don't like. So this is you, and to be honest with yourself. And also to not listening when people say you're best, and also to not listening when people say you're the bad ones, the worst. Because most of the time people don't listen to the negative comment, and they listen only to the positive. And this is not gonna help you. Don't listen to the positive, don't listen to the negative, just to be honest with yourself and understand yourself.